Looking for a spring hair pick-me-up that you can get from the comfort of your own home? Look no further than Carol's Daughter's Monoi Repairing Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner at Costco and Costco.com for a limited time only. It's the gold standard of hair care, giving hair up to 92% less breakage in just one use. We're talking stronger, healthier-looking revived hair. The magic Monoi oil, an ancient French-Polynesian recipe made when Tahitian tiara gardenia flowers bloom into copra coconut oil, which has been nourishing hair for thousands of years. This magical oil works on all hair types, from fine to thick, and is proven to keep your strands beautiful and healthy looking. The sulfate-free shampoo is great for color-treated hair. It's gentle and helps detangle damaged hair that's prone to tangling. And the conditioner helps to restore hair, leaving it softer and loaded with shine. Born from a trip to Tahiti, where founder and beauty pioneer Lisa Price became enamored by the island's sacred beauty secret, Monoi oil. It's also paraben-free and contains no artificial colors. Get this special 23-ounce kit exclusively at Costco and Costco.com for its lowest price ever, $39.99.